Silva, Global Ambassador from the Palm Desert campus, and today I want to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to prepare a good snack. It's delicious and it's healthy as well, and it's in relation to my culture, which is the Mexican culture. So today I want to show you guys how to make a type of salad, or a pico de gallo as they call it. And it'll involve nopales, which look like this. When you buy them at the store, they come in a package of maybe 4 or 5. And they've already taken out the thorns that are on the cactus leaves. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut all of our cactus leaves. And then eventually they're going to end up looking like this. I've already cut about 4 of them, so I'm going to cut the last one right now. That way we can put them to cook. Okay, so I've set my stove to about medium heat. I'm going to go ahead and place my diced up cactus leaves, or nopales as we call them. And I'm going to add some water. And I'm also going to add about 2 whole garlic cloves to boil. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt. And we're going to let this cook to a boil, maybe about in 10-12 minutes. I'll check on it and make sure they're tender. If they're tender, then they're done. Okay, and so now I have 2 Roma tomatoes, 2 jalapenos, and an onion as well. And we're going to slice these up, jalapenos. We love spicy stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and use 2 jalapenos. You can use 1 if you like. Doesn't have to be 2. It also depends on the size of the jalapeno as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it back in here. And we can move on to the Roma tomatoes. Okay, once all the tomatoes are sliced, I'm going to go ahead and add the tomatoes on here as well. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just... Okay, now we're just going to go ahead and add our onion in here as well with our tomates and our jalapenos. This is going to be my mixture here, and we'll just set it aside, and we'll actually go ahead and check on our nopales as well. So they look about done, so I'm going to go ahead and drain the water. Okay, once I have let these cool for about a minute or 2, I'm going to go ahead and put them in a bigger bowl like this. And yes, every Mexican has a bowl like this with a stripe. So I'm going to go ahead and add my mixture. So it's going to look like this. And once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and add some salt. Salt to taste, of course. And just sprinkle a little bit of lemon. So add some lemon. And all I'm going to do now is just mix it. Okay, and this is going to be the finished look. And I'm just going to go ahead and stick this in the fridge for a while I do my refried beans, and hopefully this can get cool. Okay, and for my refried beans, I'm going to go ahead and put in some cooking oil in a skillet. And I'm going to go ahead and let this heat up for a little bit. Okay, and once your oil has heated, you can see it's easier to move around. It's not as thick. You're ready to go ahead and put your beans in. You can either get refried beans already in the can. You just got to warm them up. But in this case, I went ahead and made beans from scratch. So I'm going to need to refry them, smash them myself. So I used pinto beans. So I'm going to go ahead and just put them right in my pan of oil. Take out the extra juice. What you're going to need for this is some sort of bean smasher. Mine's round in this case. So what you're going to do is, once your beans are in here, you just go ahead and smash them. Make sure not to have the heat so high in this case, just because then your beans will burn. Once all your beans are pretty much smashed, they're gonna look like this. Shake off excess beans. Okay, so now we're ready to put everything together. So I just have this package here of already made tostadas. So what you're going to do is just grab some of the refried beans that you've made, set them on your tostada, you give them a little spread. Okay, and once that's done, you're going to grab your Salsa de Nopales, which is nopales, chile, tomate, cebolla, some salt, and lemon to taste. So you're just gonna grab as much as you'd like and go ahead and just set it on the tostada itself. So this is the finishing look. And it's really good and it's really healthy for you. So thanks for watching, and hopefully you try this and see if you like it. Let me know. It's good.